Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we've got the Team Unity 1-year anniversary car meet, and this thing was packed the hell out. It's at one of our usual spots, unknown location. We can't give that out. Obviously we might have some cops that just might want to pop up and shut us down. But yeah, we popped up to the car meet, bruh. There was a super nice view of the mountain. Hopefully you guys checked that out and you enjoyed it. But we pulled into the car meet, bro. We're coming in, trying to cruise, not draw too much attention to ourselves, because you know what happened last time. I don't know if you guys seen the previous video, but a cop tailed me all the way to the meetup spot, and I was just like, damn, bro, I brought a cop all the way in here. But I ended up, I believe, talking to him that night, and he ended up saying, yeah, he's here to support his friend's pop-up tent. So we pull up to the meet, and I'm cruising, cutting through the roundabout, and I realized, you know what, bro, we're not doing this again. We're not finna just sit here and wait for everybody to pull in. This is why we got a bike. Sometimes we're impatient. Sometimes we got to rizz up a little bit, cut around traffic. So we jumped out, kind of just did our thing, kicked the curb here a little bit. But we do a quick pull through the parking lot, kind of just check out the vibe, check out who's all here, see if I see any of my boys here. Sweet Mustang that was parked there. We got the vendors. Everyone popped out. We're all trying to support our local vendors. Nice Honda, super dope wrap. But we're chilling, cruising through, checking out some of the cars, just trying to see what's going on. And of course, this Tesla's kind of like a staple to the meet here. We see this thing like every other meet. I'm sure you guys have seen it before if you follow my channel long enough. That thing's super dope. But like I said, we're just cruising through, checking things out. And of course, everyone stopped. But eventually this truck decides to park. So we're like, all right, let's go check out the rest of the venue, see kind of what's going on, see what cars pulled up. This part of the meet doesn't kind of get full till about later in the night. So I was like, I got open space, let's hit a little wheelie. Banged it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. So we start heading back to where the rest of the cars are all parked up, because nobody's really on this side of the park yet. So we cruise for a little bit longer, just checking out the parking lot, seeing what's going on. We speed it up a little bit, time lapse, but we speed up, get ready to park up. So we're still dealing with a little bit of traffic, nothing super crazy, but I'm like, all right, bro, you guys are just driving uber slow. I don't have time for this. I'd rather just swerve around y'all, bro, and just go park up so I can walk around and enjoy the time I'm going to be here. Because this car meet's huge. From what I heard, it's supposed to be one of the biggest, car meetups they've probably ever hosted, considering it's their 1-year anniversary. So I'm ready to get off the bike and go walk around and meet up with the homies. So I get to kind of the front of the venue, and I see this car pulling out. I'm like, oh, bro, don't even worry. I'll take your spot. I'll have all the guys pull up here. All the bikes will kind of be grouped together. And then I see this red CBR that was super sick, bro. He dapped up his homie. And then they went and parked in the other side of the lot. And I'm like, I wonder what riding group this is, because they're not with us. My boys are all on the way. I'm kind of one of the first people here, because they had hit a QT meetup before coming to the meet, so they could all kind of ride down together. But I was running a little bit late, so I kind of beat them there. So we finally get parked up, and I waited a couple minutes before the boys pull up, and then the sun goes down. So, you know, as soon as the sun goes down, bro, everyone starts pulling in. We got this super sweet Hello Kitty car.
Sorry.
Pretty custom, pretty dope.
Drive fast, eat ass. Stupid low is the license plate. Shaved ice. All the vendors. Got the Hot Wheels for the Hot Wheel boys. Shouts out to Modded Culture. They pull up every meet.
Of course, you know, the Modded Culture boys pull up. They usually do. But they're usually always selling Hot Wheels, so he laid out his Hot Wheel table, and I checked out a couple cars. They got these sweet stickers and sweet keychains. He does extremely nice custom work. If you ever need some custom work done, hit my boy up. He's always working. Fortunately, I did have to mute certain parts of the video because, of course, some car pulled by and his obnoxious subwoofers are blaring music, and we just can't afford copyright.
Let's go. We're walking. We're doing a lap. Come on.
So I'm sure you guys all saw the whole gang pulled up. Most of the boys finally made it to the meet, so we were like, all right, time to do a lap, check out what's all here. Because usually no one pulls up to the car meet, so as soon as it starts, they kind of show up like an hour or maybe 30 minutes after it starts.
Hey, there's more bikes over here. Looks like a ZX6. Yeah, because there's only like, another biker group. There's a ZX6R, a 10R with a missing back seat. That's lit. And an R3, I don't know who that is.
That's Malachi's.
Is it? Is he here?
Yeah, he's over there.
Oh, okay. Lit.
He just walked over there.
Oh. I like this. What is this? 600 CBR double R.
His R3 that
I know. A naked MT-09.
Oh, T09. I think I know who this is.
RSV4.
I just met this guy today.
RSV4 Flux. Yeah, you're missing out, dog. Gotta start him young. We packed out, bro. BMW twin turbo. Sheesh.
And of course, the 392 Hemi pulls up and he's blaring music out his car, so apologize for having to mute this for you guys. So we wrap up looking at most of the cars for the night. And towards the end of the night, these guys are handing out raffle tickets. So we end up getting in line and just kind of jumping around and seeing what was going on with the raffle. They were giving away a free modded t-shirt. And I was like totally down for one. I needed one really bad, but unfortunately I didn't end up winning. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this anniversary meet. Smash that subscribe button, tap that like button, let me know what you guys think. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.